And you know, I last week Wednesday, Anna Ghana Force will be for recruitment and screening exercise. I mean, you see El-Wak Sports Stadium. Now, right after that, Anna data. I just almost the Padodo a top forms and no person omunya recruitment to Ghana Armed Forces. No, almost figure an eba one. Let's say a nipa 60,000 any actually, but now Ghana Armed Forces will make for nipa just 4,000 pay. Because of that, a bit more eukwa. And now Anna Prophet Kofi Oduro said there be Ghana Armed Forces for. Obi enipa 60,000 no top forms no monfa obiara sika ma no monfa obiara sika ma no mo return obiara sika ema no mema nkyerebo no akyere wadwen ama me e wo comment section hi Penyah block media message was any day mo obe like video no that ma put subscribe button so na be click notification icon for latest update na be kyere wadwen de ama me e wo comment section message so baso no a share post anya bi ahwe e the Prophet Kofi Oduro e obi a ono no the church no abada ne Ghana Parliament. What I say? Assembly here or address and it is nice because or your mamba pa or say BS here also ultimate extra na adwe e wo ho say ebeko amawo say enkoma de eye de ono so obi a e wo ne view assembly a obi a how o say ehu no ai assembly a obi a how o say ehu no ene nti ase a ne understand ya onya e wo asem no ho it on the issue be happen Sunday be a dey na Sunday mu no e ho any address but it is unfortunate say na nsem mu no as we jai. What I say because MPP time they won back to back. Galam said there be as also Peku for when you bump and for next year near Jesse. Na near tell who pa back to back. Just a BB and so a boy children say we can have your penny for.
Nana Jai Jimmy! Nana Jai Jimmy no! Catch Nana Jai Jimmy. No cry it our Ghana can be cannot grab and was see I don't know how you cannot grab Jangwasi I don't know how you catch it on da Jai Jimmy da Jai Jimmy. Yeah, Shananani Mrakaza Jai Jimmy. Tell them.
But as a young man moving, you know, I could feel through. I said, why, as a bass will kept back a normal because, you know, Matthias and a contact was a Nasi was and then the any chief of staff, Jiro Zebra, honorable chief of staff. Jiro Zebra, as Matthias in the baby, and I normal. Ultimately, I want to send no for and I contact Bibisa. It ultimately, I want to contact it a normal say, if you go look at crap for na contact, a contact, a benyasika na ones when you are my contact be as a contact be different rice, I contact no, I contact no. Now I was on work and see mu Ghanaian cabin shame, and El-Wak Sports Stadium at Rencham and no Yenika see a ball Ghana Hanamo. Abra Ghana Armed Forces for able Omapunumo for recruitment and screening exercise. Is almost ato forms. Ewa portal and so no. Abra say be omu apum omu ni pedua mu ni ade. Let's say your qualify no. You pay 4,000 pe. Your qualify na say ye yiwo. But data eba bonten no. Na enipa omu ato forms no. Omu ye 60,000. Miwa Ghana Armed Forces obetman for just 4,000 pe. What I say? And in the Ghana Armed Forces, they are not there to maximize profit. And yes, can no but omono security services and omo render. They are not into money. It in say be a ton forms. I could pay sika and this can to soldiers uniform. And now you be ton forms. I could pay sika and this can be say no. Ghana Armed Forces is not structured like that. It how like how. Am I shape up on the internet? No, Ghana for natural margin for Obia Canada. Am I even crying to the point? Say, you know, Omu Ewu, you know, now Excellency the President was smart Deputy Defense Minister Emma Neko Ebusa for and I say a ho Edward Amanabo equal to Omanim.
So here a domoa ye buy and pennyfu di anymore. Regional chairman, NDC, regional chairman, or central region Moamo Emma Munuaba, now call your MP. DC minister Oshe Emma Emofra ene omo ayemobo ene me ankasa soja for mpanifo eka ho nyina mampani na asoma ye ekire se yenua ba no oye Ghana de hye na yene a yewo Ministry of Defense de okan ye ho esan se omo ede omo nkrata call Abel Fontaine time so eka so mpese omo be ye soja for no enye obi a na efre no omo a efre omo ye omo a yehu se omo a qualifier ye be hwe omo nkrata mu na ya hwe omo apon mu din mu se omo betimi aye training na ya fa wo mu eti ye nua ba no ye yehu ne se okan ye ho enu nti na ye ba soja for mpanifo nyina eka ye ho ti mampani se ye mra na ye mekyekyere mo re ye mema mo yakọ na ye mama so nti se aban ejina mochi ekwan a ewo se ye fa so na ye siesie ye nua ba na chi no ye beja MP ene MC omo ne mo bedi ho nkomo aban be so mo ase na ya ye bibia na ye sie ye nua ba no na ya krakra na chi ye toso mienu ba bia ye nua ba ne duru ye ewo ye nhyehyeye mu no se de medi kan na akase ye behwe na pom din mu na ya ma ne kwan ma na ya be ye adwuma eno nti mampe se ye pese abusua no eyi nipa baako na obesi ye nua ba na nan na ye ne no eye adwuma se ye hwe na pom din mu na obetimi aye ye training ne ade no a ti mampe ni se ye mfa no entomo anim eno nti ye besre na ya mamu nyina yakọ na ya stress nyankopon omama rechichire nyame mama hoden na ye bompa ye nso eta abusua na chi ye da mu nyina amase
labor a chop, Yamaula, 12 o'clock. For my view, I'm a van. Camoko, Bodia, Capuma, Amachichilia, I'm a van. No terror 37 military hospital. Over for body Ajishi. Da Kova Kowa, the Wodo Pia Kofia, Yaba Magao Lefima, or Wako body Ajishi. Canada Jole Magba, Milafia. Mia Pukanami, Mia Teremiachi, Puamania, Yamakata, Yateremiachi, Lafima, Shami,
Ma Atiana Atuni Yama Minini, and the papa Robert Yamano, Niba, said you, and then the baby called the papa, and you are any and a wa. Eti, Mama Sotika, I was a phone
you, Chami, you better was. As I said, in any Parina, that's it. Your crew Cassan, the battery, na Ayan, Amay. Yes, Semren, Yabama, Yang Mamea, Ono Diano, Penyah Ba, Muamu Baba, Honorable Nakoyo Okuno, Ye MP for which you say.
But Prophet Kofi Oduro or her assembly no see there be. Are they Ghana Armed Forces for iron? And ye because Swiss one price move penipa 4,000 pay. That's a more share. I got ton forms, even nipa 60,000. Jiwo Munyeska Obia 200. It is 60,000 times 200. That is 12 million Ghana cedis. It is kind 120 billion. It is kind 120 billion. And yes, Kakuma. Necessika we no. A question any penny be to no. Anna Prophet Kofi was a hen ha. And yan to an because Ghana no is about time one. I say you see bit me go wasted and near dear children. You see bit me go wasted. Next year children. Kofi Oduro children say Jessica no. Obia monim se mon qualify ni biano. More than the bakurisi kaman. And yes, sir, and Maya na omu yeno. Omumoja, their blood will be on your head.
I stand on this altar and I say to the Ghana Armed Forces, refund the money of all those 60,000 people. If you don't enlist them, put the picture there. All the blood of these girls shall be on your head. Refund the monies they paid on the portal, or the blood of these innocent girls shall be on your head. Ubia won the bad take their pictures of. I want to use the opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, to say sorry to the families of the 6 people who died in the recruitment. I'm sorry. On behalf of this nation, we are sorry. We couldn't protect your children. We couldn't protect them. We had a flawed system. Institutions that does not work. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for your loss. Children who have finished university, they just church. Sorry. We have the data that runs this church. The data tells us what the branches are doing. The data. Bibi were high a chereme. Inipa do a choir, sorry, was Santo, East Legon. A mother do a womb, Mema do a womb, offering omotoye. You know, the data tells me how many carpenters are in this church, how many hairdressers are in this church, how many doctors are in this church, where they live. The data tells me that. We have a data here that tells me that. There is a data in this church. Do you want to tell me it is government institutions that don't have data? They have the data. They know. You see, the armed forces have given an opportunity for people to blaspheme the institution. We are looking for 4,000 people. So then, the system should be capped. By 10,000, we block the portal. Case closed. We allow 60,000 to come in when we want only 4,000. So then, I stand on this altar and I say to the Ghana Armed Forces, refund the money of all those 60,000 people. If you don't enlist them, put the picture there. All the blood of these girls shall be on your head. Refund the monies they paid on the portal, or the blood of these innocent girls shall be on your head. Ubia won the bad take their pictures of. Let me say this to you. If I want to be enlisted in the British Army, my nephews and my nieces are here, you know, serious. If I want to be enlisted, I don't need to pay a dime. All I need to do is to apply online. This screenings is done online. Medical assessment is done online. When they enlist you, they will write to you, and then all the things will be uploaded. Then they will send a letter to the embassy. I'm talking about Ghana and you, and then you go to the embassy, get a visa, and from the day you step into the United Kingdom, they start paying you. They pay you for your transport. They will pay you for, you know, your training. They will pay you for, until you become a soldier, they will pay you £1,200 for training in the British Army. Ghana won the day, and I'm you. You have given an occasion for the enemies of the state to blaspheme a very important institution like the Ghana Armed Forces. I'm telling you, refund those people. 60,000 times 200 is 12 million. Give their money back to them. or the blood of these innocent people will follow you and your generation. Stand to your feet. Let's close. Waiting as some person of way. Ubedja. Ubedja. There are Ghanaians who are in the British Army. They wear the uniform carrying Her Majesty to now His Majesty's crown. And there are people who genuinely want to serve our country. And they will not get it because of a flawed system. Flawed. My uncle here is a retired naval captain. He would tell you that when they were being enlisted, this was not the nonsense. Yeah. This was not the nonsense. Paying monies to people, protocol, people should be in no fullness. No, how did these people get into the armed forces? Huh? And it's only the armed forces, police, immigration. The same problem is there. I was here at the police training depot. I look at people can't even judge. How does all these people get into the armed forces? Nonsense. 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 To me, so you see people who are not on. This is why you can see officers who will only two ne bema high. Two no the man or the bema high. I see a drink one here. It didn't be on one bag. Sangro fu for muja. It's sad. So when I look at over more people like you, reputable people who have served this nation, when you sit back, how do you feel? Sit back and look at the flaws. How do you feel? Grow in grace. Grow in grace. Grow in grace. Ubiya wanu ubiya ka grow. So the free carnality. Grow in grace. Grow. Nami yare wama mesrame.
Chira wadwe mame ewo comment section. How you Penyah Media Accra.